What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. As you know, we did get our motor assembled and it is ready for the cab. Got our boy Joe out here.
Yeah, grab that door right there.
Hey, Joe, you're strong.
I know. Got Ruben from Danny TV over here.
Yes, sir.
Chilling.
Helping out.
Nathan over there. Come on, Joe, you can drive better than that. Get that frame turned around and get it in here. How are we gonna do that frame work?
I'd say we get it on the rollback. That way we can.
Least labor intensive way, probably.
You know what we could actually do here? We could roll it out and go that way. That way we can pick it up. We can snatch it like that. You know.
Well, if we move these two trucks, I'll be able to back right up to it. That truck is started.
Okay, so it is the next day here. We got all of our interior parts unloaded. We can go ahead and start putting it together. But we want to go ahead and take this seat to our reupholstering shop and get it redone. It is tore up, and we want to do a cool little design and maybe change the cover of it. So let's get it loaded up and take it over there.
What do you think?
Yeah, I can do it.
Well, we want something, you know, you need to show your skill on this one. Because it's going for the TV, you know? So something different.
I'm different.
Yeah, you know, like, I don't know, we'll let you be creative with it.
Yeah, well, one thing that we definitely
want
want, definitely want this section right here to be like wider right here, and then lines here. Okay. You know, like a later Model C with some lines there, because I don't really like that.
All right, we could do
Plain.
Vinyl, right?
not leather.
And then,
Well, I'd say
see what you other do. A lot more. We have to get a lot more.
like how much?
See that? Like black vinyl here? Take a look at it.
Yeah, that's example.
Whose is that?
This one. Oh, we got it. Pretty clean. I like it. All right, so we're back at the shop, and as you know, in some of the previous videos, we did show you guys that the frame did get bent right here, and it looks really bad, and also it gets real close to the cab. So we're gonna go ahead and straighten this down. Once we straighten this down, we will put the heat shield that goes on underneath around the transmission on, and then we'll drop the cab down for good. So let's get this straightened. so we tried the 9-pound hammer, tried the smaller hammer, even broke this hammer. This thing is just not going to straighten out without heat. So we're gonna have to go get some gas for our torch and heat it up and straighten it out. I didn't want to use heat, but there's just no way. This frame is way too strong. What do you think, Mark?
Yeah, I mean, watching from here, I didn't really see it budge. We're gonna need that heat.
Because there's just no way. This is way too thick to just cold.
Especially since it's double walled, man.
Like, look at this hammer, man. It broke this hammer right in half.
Dominated it.
And it didn't even move. I mean, it did a little bit.
Yeah, just
Like,
a little, but
if
you
we
can
really
still
wanted
kinda...
to, like a fly-by-night repair, we could just hammer it down a little bit more, but I actually want it to look good once the cap goes back on, you know?
Yeah.
That being bowed like that is gonna make that gap uneven.
What do you think about welding it up when we're done so it doesn't bend?
Yeah, we could weld it to this brace and weld these two together. Although I don't know if I want to do that because I think this is designed to make sure that the frame flexes.
Oh yeah.
So,
sure.
you know, so the frame doesn't crack. So welding it is probably not going to be a good idea. That's why it's made with all these rivets. But that could also be why it got bent like that. I don't know. So, what do you think, Wes?
Someone commented that. They said to weld.
To weld it? I don't know if it's good. I mean, in my opinion, the more welds you put on it, the better it is. But as far as the engineering standpoint goes, I don't know. Like, if it was me, I'd weld all this up.
Yeah.
That's a little too much welding. The frame. We're trying to fix it.
What? What's wrong?
How to weld?
Yeah. What that? Is that what y'all talking about?
Yeah, look what I did to this hammer right here.
Wow.
Trying to get this down. I tried it with the 9-pound hammer, but it has a freaking metal handle on it.
No, there's actually another
I
one.
got splinters
Check
in
this
it.
one out.
I'm a beast. I'm a beast.
Just don't let it rip off and dent something.
Let's see if this will work.
That definitely went down. That definitely flattened out. Just a little bit more. What do you think? I think that's good.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Maybe a little bit more hammering right here.
Yeah.
It's just so hard to hit the edge.
What are you trying to bring this down right here?
Yeah, I'm trying to bring this whole edge down.
I think it's good.
It's a double wall. That's why by the time I get good contact with this piece of metal, I'm already bouncing off the top piece.
Yeah.
Dude, that's insane. 50 Let's go. Let's see to that.
So we just picked up 10,000 scuff pads. All right, guys, comment down below if you want to win a scuff pad.
Wow, but
You can have a stuff pad at this point.
Let's see.
Alrighty, so we got the heater core installed. We also got the blower installed under the hood. Mark's actually gonna remove all the glue around the windshield up there so we can install that. Me and Vlad are gonna go ahead and sand down the dashboard so we can go ahead and spray it and install it too.
Let's do it.
So we got the dashboard sanded and we're gonna run across the street to O'Reilly's and get the paint for it. I know they got seats. This stuff's actually gonna be kind of like.
Alright, so we found the paint.
Yes, sir. What did Ben need?
He needs some flat black over there.
McLaren black.
Yes, sir. We're good to go. Alright, so our dash is ready to spray. Yuri's just touching up a few spots. And what we got here is some Bulldog. It's an adhesion promoter. We're going to spray it on before we spray the paint. That way we get a nice adhesion and this paint doesn't come off. Dang, I definitely think black was a move, man. It looks so much better.
Yes, it does. I like it. What do you guys think? You like the black? Also, how long do you guys think it's gonna last? That's the big question.
Nah, when Ismail painted his, it actually lasted, so I think
Really?
and he didn't even use the Bulldog, so
Ooh, I need to touch something else.
with that Bulldog, I think it's gonna last a while.
All right, so the dash looks really good, but we did have a little problem right here. It looks like some contamination. I tried to dust on some more paint, but it automatically reacted with it again. So we're going to let that dry overnight, and we'll scuff it down and respray just this section. Other than that, I don't really see anything else that I don't like. It looks really good. I like it.
Oh yeah.
And I'm glad that I got the gloss, because it's gonna look clean, you know? It's not gonna look...
I can't wait to see it in there, man.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look really good. It's
We
gonna have a
got
big
all
stereo.
the stuff in there. Check this out, guys. All the heater and AC stuff is in. The wiring harness. And what do you think? We'll respray all that black too, yeah?
What?
The interior pieces?
The door panels?
No, those little pillar pieces.
Oh yes, for sure. Because we are going to do a black headliner, and so the door pillar, the A-pillar trim needs to go black, and then the pieces that go down there needs to be black. These got to go black, and these too. But these, I don't know what we should do with these. We should maybe look into something a little bit more tougher.
What if we wrapped them?
What would you wrap them in though? I wonder if they
brushed
still...
metal. Brushed metal.
Yeah, but you don't. Have you seen them?
Where are they at?
You're not gonna be able to get anything to stick on it. I'm about to show you. All right, so this is it right here.
Yeah, that is gonna be pretty tough to wrap.
You won't be able to. Like, you won't even be able to get this down. You won't be able to do nothing to it. I was thinking about making one of these pieces out of like diamond plate.
Dang, that would look nice. We would literally just get all these dimensions.
It wouldn't be that
Mount these
hard.
clips back on?
It would literally just be one flat piece of diamond plate, and then we can put countersunk holes right here where these clips are, and put rib nuts right here, and just do 4 bolt holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, I think that'd be a must.
And we can do it out of an aluminum diamond plate.
And it'll match the diamond plate that we have planned for the rear.
But yeah, I guess we could do black. If we paint it though, it's gonna get scuffed up. The whole reason I wanted to do this aluminum is because I wanted to be bare aluminum.
Just leave it exposed then. No reason to paint it. Aluminum looks nice.
Yeah, I think we can do that, dude. It wouldn't be that hard. Also, another reason why we're gonna do it is because I lost the other side.
All right, and also guys, check out this radiator we bought for it. It actually deletes the big old fan and the shroud because they were both broken and we couldn't find them anywhere but the dealer, and it was actually pretty expensive. And this came out to be around the same price, and it also is fully aluminum, so we don't have to worry about the plastic, because I know a lot of people are saying to upgrade that. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. We got a lot of work done on this truck. Next episode, hopefully we can get it actually all put together and actually start it up for the first time. That's going to be really exciting. I can't wait to hear how that KC Turbo sounds. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you think of the build. And also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. And we do have merch. If you want to pick some up, it's on vtune.com. I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.